Okay, children, good morning. So, today's science lesson, we are going to do classwork together in the science workbook on living things. So, you have to take out your science workbook and we're going to start soon. Okay? Page 20. Place a tick next to the correct answer. Every day, Pak Halim and his wife. Question 1. How do Pak Halim's plant get water? So the answer is the roots of the plant absorb water from the soil. Soil means ground. Question 2. Why Pak Halim does not need to provide food to his plant? Do you know why, children? You remember? So the answer is the plant make food on their own with the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Question 3. What does Pak Halim's wife do to make sure that the animals in their farm are healthy? Do you know how, children? The answer is provide food and water to the animals every day. Question 4. Do humans, animals, and plants get the basic need in the same way? Yes or no? The answer is no. Why? Because plants and animal and human have different needs. Now turn to page 21. Complete the sentences below based on the following diagram. Diagram means picture. Question 1. Humans and animals need blank that give them protection from. So in the pictures, you see a boy running away from the rain and also the snake is from the sun. So what do they need? Let's read together. Humans and animals need shelter that give them protection from rain and heat. Question 2. Does shelter also provide protections to humans and animals? In the pictures, we see a boy is trying to protect himself from an angry dog, and the rabbit is trying to hide himself from a frog. So we know that the shelter also provide protections to humans and animals from dangers and enemies. Turn to page 22. Let's read the question. Why are food, air, and shelter important to the humans and animals? Okay, we see there's a few story down here. Let's read together, okay? As we read the story, we have to choose the correct answer according to the picture. Okay, let's read. Aisha and her pet cat are feeling very thirsty, hungry, or full, and do not have any energy because they did not eat and drink for several days. Okay, let us choose the first one. So they are supposed to be what? Hungry or full? Okay, let's read again. Aisha and her pet cat are feeling very hungry, thirsty, and do not have energy because they do not eat and drink for several days. Aisha and her pet do not eat and drink, that's why they don't have energy. So food is very important to humans and animals. Let's continue. They will die or continue to live if they do not get food and water as soon as possible. So children, what do you think? Aisha and the pet will live or die if they are not going to eat and drink soon. So the answer is they will die if they do not get any food and drink as soon as possible. Story number 2. Aisha and her pet cat got wet in the rain. They feel very cold, hot. Okay, what do you feel when you wet? Do you feel cold or do you feel hot? So the answer is they feel very cold, right? So let's continue reading it. Without food or shelter, humans and animals are not able to protect themselves from bad weather, good weather. So in this picture, we see the importance of staying in a place called shelter or home. So the answer is without shelter, humans and animals are not able to protect themselves from bad weather. Story number 3. Aisha and her pet cat will continue to live, die after a while if they do not get air, water to breathe. So what do we see here? We see both of them fall into the water. So when we're not in the water, we're not able to breathe, right? So when we are inside the water without oxygen tank, we're not able to breathe with our nose. So in the picture, if we do not breathe, what will happen? Are we going to die or going to live? Let's read again. Aisha and her pet cat will die after a while if they do not get air to breathe. Without air, humans and animals will die quickly. Okay, on the last story that we read just now, I mentioned about oxygen tank. I say that without oxygen tank, if you go inside the water, you will die. Okay, I will show you what is oxygen tank means in this video in the end of this video. Okay, and I hope you remember okay what is the need of the living things and do your homework. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.